Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: account, platform, and content. First, log into Tidio and verify your email so features unlock. Once done, pick the integration type for your site, make sure you choose the right CMS or paste the widget code. Then import or draft the initial greeting and 1-3 quick replies. These shape first impressions. I'll show you why each piece matters and how to move quickly into building flows without wasting time on defaults. Now you construct the conversation. Open Flow Builder and start with a trigger, page load, button press, or keyword. This decides when the bot speaks. Next, add conditions to route users. Use tags or form fields to branch the path. Then place messages, buttons, delays, and AI responses to keep conversations natural. Make sure to map answers to tags or CRM fields so leads are captured. I'll explain why branching and tagging reduce dead ends and increase conversions. Finish by testing and deploying. You should preview each flow in the widget and in an incognito window. Simulate at least 3 user journeys to catch gaps. Once satisfied, publish the widget, configure live hours, and enable the offline form so no message is lost. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Verify triggers, reauthorize integrations, and inspect browser console errors. These reveal permission or script issues. If needed, revert the last change and retest until the bot behaves reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.